Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to get teenage filters on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know how to get teenage filters on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on this search bar and write here teenage filter effects. Now this type of filters will appear here. You have to click any of the filter, and when this will be loaded, you have to done your video by using this filter. That was the whole procedure. Now you can see here there is written on teenage look. Now click on the video and start to make video with that teenage effect. Click on this check mark. Now click on next and your video will be uploaded. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.